Restoring a historic home in Houston is a delicate balance between preserving timeless charm and introducing modern functionality. One of the most impactful upgrades homeowners can make is choosing the right windows, and double-hung windows stand out as an ideal solution. They offer a seamless blend of classic aesthetics and practical benefits, making them especially well-suited for historic home renovations in Houston. Double-hung windows are defined by their two operable sashes that slide vertically. This traditional design has been a staple in American homes for centuries, which means they naturally complement the architectural style of older properties. Whether your home features colonial, Victorian, or craftsman influences, double-hung windows can replicate the original look while enhancing performance. For homeowners who want to maintain authenticity without sacrificing comfort, this is a major advantage. Houston's climate is another key factor to consider. With its long, hot summers and high humidity, proper ventilation is essential. Double-hung windows excel in this area because both the top and bottom sashes can open. This allows warm air to escape through the top while cooler air enters through the bottom, creating a natural airflow that helps regulate indoor temperatures. For historic homes that may not have been designed with modern HVAC efficiency in mind, this feature can significantly improve comfort. Energy efficiency is often a concern when renovating older homes, and outdated windows are typically a major source of energy loss. Modern double-hung windows are designed with advanced materials, insulated glass, and tight seals that help reduce drafts and improve thermal performance. Homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills while still preserving the traditional appearance of their property. This is especially important in Houston, where cooling costs can quickly add up. Another customer-focused benefit is ease of maintenance. Many double-hung windows are designed with tilt-in sashes, making them easy to clean from inside the home. This is particularly valuable for multi-story historic houses, where exterior window cleaning can be challenging and costly. By simplifying upkeep, these windows help homeowners protect their investment over the long term. Preservation guidelines and neighborhood regulations can also influence renovation decisions. In many historic districts, maintaining the original look of a home is not just a preference, it's a requirement. Double-hung windows are widely accepted because they closely match traditional designs. Many manufacturers even offer customizable options, including wood frames, grille patterns, and finishes that replicate historic details. This flexibility allows homeowners to meet preservation standards while still upgrading to modern performance. Durability is another important consideration, especially in a city like Houston that experiences occasional severe weather. Today's double-hung windows are built to withstand the elements, with strong frames and impact-resistant glass options available. This added resilience provides peace of mind without compromising the home's historic character. Beyond function, there's also the matter of home value. Renovating a historic property with thoughtfully chosen upgrades can significantly increase its appeal. Buyers are often drawn to homes that retain their original charm but offer modern conveniences. Double-hung windows strike that balance perfectly, making them a smart investment for homeowners who may consider selling in the future. Ultimately, choosing double-hung windows for a historic home renovation in Houston is about honoring the past while embracing the present. They preserve the architectural integrity of older homes, improve comfort and efficiency, and meet the practical needs of modern living. For homeowners who want to protect their home's legacy while enhancing its livability, double-hung windows are a clear and compelling choice.